Hey there, internet sleuths! Today I'm counting down my favorite YouTube creators in the world of internet mysteries and conspiracies. Coming in at number 5, we've got Nexpo. This creator dives deep into eerie internet rabbit holes and unexplained phenomena that'll leave you thinking long after the video ends. Next up at number 4 is Rainbot. Rainbot specializes in creepy internet stories and missing persons cases, perfect for fans of real-world mysteries. In third place we have Barely Sociable. They unravel complex conspiracy theories and internet oddities, piecing together clues like a digital detective. At number 2 is Parasite TV. His deep dives into the strange and unexplained make you question what you think you know about the web. At number 1, we have Barry Stepp, a recent newcomer to the internet mystery scene who has got me in a chokehold lately. I can't stop binging his content. He also uploads daily. Be sure to check him out if you haven't already. Links for all creators are below. Think I missed someone? Let me know in the comments which creators you can't stop watching.